Surely, we have all seen the ancient swordplay or war movies, the wars with only blunt swords and simple armor. That is part of the history of humankind. However, at present, we humans also have military inventions that only a century ago, no one dared to think about. New military inventions on an unimaginable level. Drones and stealth capabilities, weapons that don't need direct human manipulation but can still be activated by touch, something that was once considered paranoid and unrealistic. Seeing these military equipments, what do you feel? At first, I thought it was unbelievable, but military scientists are researching and inventing it. In the near future, these military inventions will certainly be born. And these are inventions that no one thought of before, but now, stealth planes or ballistic missiles are invented and put into operation. This is the S-300BM Anti-2500, the most powerful air-dense system in the S-300 series. As the only air defense and missile defense vehicle in the world capable of effectively destroying ballistic missiles at a range of 2,500 kilometers, while effectively destroying all aerodynamic and ballistic targets. This system uses a new 9M82M missile with a long range, flexible maneuverability, and always close to the target. This type of missile is capable of adjusting flight trajectory during flight. Killer of destruction named BUKM2 BGM-109G Tomahawk. As a long-range cruise missile with high survivability and low flight, it is difficult to be detected by a radar, mainly used for the Navy. We see this type of missile can bombard submarines deep in the sea. It's scary, isn't it? The F/A-18 Hornet is considered one of the most feared aircraft. It is also likened to the backbone of the Navy, Air Force, and Marine Corps. Regarding the air combat aircraft, perhaps the F-35 Lightning II is dominating the sky right now. The most notable feature of the Lightning II is its ability to evade enemy radar, a closely guarded secret. An interesting point of the F-35 is the ability to carry weapons about 2,600 kgs in weight and can still be stealthy, in addition to being able to carry bombs and missiles on the wings. The upcoming new generation Tempest and FX will feature many advanced capabilities, including flight control systems, UAV operation, state-of-the-art sensors, the ability to work in a network, and a cockpit smart, in which the pilot uses a virtual reality helmet to operate the aircraft through interactive screens and controls. In the near future, this new generation aircraft will be born. Motorized floating bridge is a type of bridge designed to move and operate on water, often used to connect riverbanks or bays. Motorized floating bridges are usually equipped with motors to automate movements and remote control. These floating bridge designs are used in a variety of applications, including military, transportation, and tourism. Leno Bearcat G2 is the industry-leading product for police and rescue applications. Russian super tank T-14 Armata is one of the most powerful tanks in the world. The engine of the T-14 Armata reaches a maximum speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The volume of the fuel tank is designed so that the tank can travel up to 500 kilometers. The thickness of the Armada's front armor is 950 millimeters. The armor plate is manufactured on the basis of composite alloys. At the same time, the tank is equipped with the Afghanis and Malachit defense complexes, which are capable of resisting anti-tank missiles and bullets. So, you have just seen new military inventions at an unimaginable level. If you like it, please press the like button and leave your comments. Each of your comments helps us make even more great videos.